Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let that receive a king. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Hi there, my name is King Felix of Gagasi FM, the uprising. It is a season to be jolly. It's the festive season. It's a time of giving. I wish you the blessed times ever. I can imagine you doing the food preps just before Christmas lunch. Oh man, the hugs, the kissing, the warm embraces, the seeing people you've never seen in a long time, the getting together, the reminiscing, the talking, the tears, the crying. I wish you a joyful time this festive season from the good part of my heart, from the deepest part of my heart. Ngifisela uncibijane omuhle isikhathi seChristmas esengeziwe esimnandi kungekho ngxabano kukhona ukuzwana uthando nokubambisana ekhaya. I love you all. It's been a great year. I wish you nothing but the best. Mokhona lethunukele khona Paula Pepisa. Thank you so much.
'Tis the season to be jolly, tra la 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 la. Merry Christmas, Gagasi FM fam. I hope you have a wonderful time relaxing and enjoying my festivities with umndeni wakho, your friends, and anybody else you choose to, even if it's thando sakho, that's fine. Enjoy the festive season. I hope unyaka uphathe kahle, and if not, wash it away, okay? Asingeni with an air of ukathala and ukdangala into 2024. So please rest, relax, ungenunyaka nomusha with a renewed hope and a renewed vision for what you would like to achieve. I love you as umemo ukastadi, and I'm wishing you nothing but the best moving forward. Merry!
Hello, it's the number one superhero, DJ Sonic. Hashtag #Iredimnandemini. I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas. Engathi ke ungabungaza kahle uhlelo lomndeni wakho. Nidli bilibo ungakhohlwa phela to send that invite. Nami ngizobungaza nani. Also, I'd like to take this moment to wish you a happy new year. Engathi year 2024 ngaprosperous ukuphathela izinto ezimnandi. See you on the flip side. Peace.
Ukhisimusi omuhle, nonyaka omusha omuhle. Woo! Merry Christmas and Fisela Ukismus omuhle, khona la Gagasi FM, the G Squad. I hope that your home is full of love, and I hope that it's full of forgiveness, and that we're able to look back on this special day. It's wow, wazwa mnandi Christmas. From my heart to yours, my name is Juli. Merry Christmas!
Sanbanana G family, my name is Karim Tetwa. I thought I was going to tuba to wish you guys a happy holidays, no kismusi omusha. May it be filled with laughter, may it be filled with umusa kaNkulunkulu, may it be filled with ukuthula okumangalisayo. Go into the new year with an open mind, with an open heart, with an adventurous spirit. Go into the new year wazi uNkulunkulu nacebo elihle for impilo yakho. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Hi, I'm Uzisto, the Yummy Mummy, and I just want to say to every single one of you, please be safe this festive season, drive safe, be responsible. Ayiphelile nje impilo ngo-December, iyaqhubeka ngo-January, so keep that in mind. We want you to get there safely and have a fantastic Christmas with your family and your loved ones, and a prosperous new year. Mwah!